First, we will paste the bitmap logo into Graphic Tracer. We only want to trace the orange texts. We change the black color swatch to orange using the Color Picker tool and click Process to convert the logo into solid white and orange. Then we click Convert to Vectors to trace the text. When we zoom in, you can see that the vector graphics looks really good, but to make it perfect, we're going to replace the text using the font identification. Click the Text tool, select the text you want to identify, and click the Identify Font and Replace button. Since this is a straight text, we click Next without changing any settings. Check that the letters have been interpreted correctly and click Next. The font is identified as Helvetica Neue Extended Bold. It looks like we don't have that font in our system, so we select the Vectorized Shapes collection and click Replace. Then we select the second text and click Identify Font and Replace. Now click Next and change any letters that aren't correct. Then click Next to search for the font. The font is identified as Helvetica Neue 93 Black Extended. Since we don't own this font either, we replaced using the Vectorized Shapes collection. The logo is now ready. Click Save to access the file export options. Then click on Export. In the dialog box, enter the file name and select the AI file format if you want to export the logo to your RDWorks software. Then click on Save. Open your RDWorks software and click on Import in the File menu. Select the file you wish to import and click Open.